The facts matter.
Good morning, everyone. Let's see. It is May 3rd, 2021. Happy Monday to everyone. Well, the Sov-Cits are at it again. Some of you may remember that I actually covered this briefly in 2019. We have an update as of April 30th, and then again as of 13 hours ago, to the man who wants to represent himself on charges where he killed a Portage High School student in 2019. All right, so here we have two individuals that are involved in this. This is individual number 1 and individual number 2. All right, here we go. A Lake criminal court judge granted a murder defendant's request Wednesday to act as his own attorney, pro se, of course, and give him another week to prepare for a hearing on whether he and a co-defendant will be tried at the same time. Joe C. Pittman Jr., 30 years old, of Chicago, told Judge Natalie Bakota he's a Sov-Cit, doesn't trust the criminal justice system, and doesn't want to waste his money on an attorney. Pittman said he wanted to be free to expose many of the fraudulent deceptions that are being used against him, don't they all? When Bakota warned Pittman he would be held to the same standards as an attorney, he objected. Wants his cake and eat it too, as always. Pittman's public defender, Patrick Young, said he recently entered the case after a different attorney withdrew, but Pittman consistently said that he wanted to represent himself. Bakota asked Pittman if he would like Young to remain on standby for him, and Pittman said he would accept Young's help. Surprise, surprise. Bakota denied Young's motion asking her to appoint mental health professionals to evaluate Pittman for competency. Pittman answered a series of questions that did show he had basic understanding of the legal process and the charges that were against him. So Lake County prosecutors want to bring Pittman and co-defendant L. Rice L. Williams, 27 years old, of Park Forest, to trial starting June 21st on charges in the shooting death of 18-year-old Elena Ortiz on January 9th, 2019, outside the Park West Apartments complex in Griffith. Williams and Pittman were among 4 men that were charged in connection with allegations that they were attempting to rob Ortiz's boyfriend when she was killed. Ortiz was not the target, police said. Co-defendants Giovanni M. Galloway, 23 years old, and Juarez E. Rogers, 51, of Park Forest, each pled guilty to attempted armed robbery and burglary charges and could face 3 to 22 years in prison. Galloway told police Williams and Pittman had guns when they approached a red SUV in which Ortiz was riding. Williams is accused of firing the shot that killed Ortiz. The allegations against Pittman and Williams are part of a common scheme or plan and are so closely connected it would be difficult to separate proof of one charge from another. Lake County Supervisory Deputy Prosecutors Eric Randall and Robert Pearson wrote. Williams' attorney, let's see if I can get this one, you guys. Cipriano Rodriguez wrote in court filings that joining the men's trials would deny Williams his constitutional rights to cross-examination and a fair trial. Bakota scheduled a hearing for Friday on the state's motion for joinder. All right, you guys, so we're going to keep an eye on this. Obviously, this is a very high-stress case. We have a high school student that lost their lives due to this case, so we're going to be keeping a close eye on it. I wanted to update you guys on what information that I had on it, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye-bye.